Welcome inside a multi-million-dollar high-tech facility where discarded human hair is transformed into advanced industrial materials. Every day, tons of collected human hair arrive from salons and recycling centers worldwide. The first step involves automated sorting systems that classify hair based on thickness, length, and structural strength. Before processing, the hair undergoes deep sterilization to remove bacteria and impurities. Advanced washing units clean the fibers using eco-friendly purification solutions. Next, precision drying systems remove moisture while preserving fiber integrity. The cleaned hair is then converted into microfibers for advanced material production. Keratin proteins are extracted using high-tech biochemical processes. The keratin compound is blended with specialized polymers to form durable composite materials. These proteins are refined to create high-strength polymer compounds. The mixture is pressed into flexible sheets used for multiple industrial applications. Reinforcement technology enhances tensile strength and durability. Robotic systems convert the materials into precision-engineered industrial components. Rapid cooling stabilizes the structure for maximum performance. Protective coatings ensure resistance against moisture, heat, and environmental damage. Each batch undergoes rigorous stress and durability testing. Each batch undergoes rigorous stress and durability testing. Laser cutting technology shapes the materials into finished industrial parts. Manufacturers integrate these materials into next-generation products. A revolutionary process turning human waste into high-performance materials, the future of sustainable manufacturing. These advanced composites are used in construction, automotive, and sustainable engineering. Distribution centers prepare the materials for global delivery. What started as discarded hair now powers innovative industries.